Welcome to Technologymedia channel. In this video we cover on IPv6. In this video, we will explore the basics of IPv6, including its advantages over IPv4, packet formats, extension headers, the transition from IPv4 to IPv6, and the concept of multicasting. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. IPv6 advantages. IPv6 brings several advantages over its predecessor, IPv4. These advantages include a much larger address space, improved address allocation and management, simplified header structure, enhanced security features, support for auto-configuration, and improved quality of service capabilities. Packet formats. IPv6 introduces a new packet format that differs from the familiar IPv4 packet format. The IPv6 packet format includes a fixed-size 40-byte base header, which contains information such as source and destination addresses, traffic class, and flow label. The larger address space in IPv6 allows for 128-bit addresses, represented in hexadecimal format. Extension headers, 1 hour. IPv6 introduces extension headers that allow for the inclusion of additional information in the packet. Extension headers follow the base header and provide flexibility in extending the functionality of IPv6. Common extension headers include the hop-by-hop options header, routing header, fragmentation header, and authentication header. Transition from IPv4 to IPv6. The transition from IPv4 to IPv6 poses some challenges due to the coexistence of the two protocols. Three common transition mechanisms are dual stack, tunneling, and header translation. Dual stack involves running both IPv4 and IPv6 protocols concurrently. Tunneling encapsulates IPv6 packets within IPv4 packets to traverse IPv4-only networks. Header translation translates IPv6 headers into IPv4 headers to enable communication between IPv6 and IPv4 networks. Multicasting. Multicasting in IPv6 allows efficient transmission of data to multiple recipients simultaneously. IPv6 supports native multicast addressing and includes multicast group management protocols. Multicast provides benefits in applications such as multimedia streaming, real-time communication, and content delivery networks. In conclusion, IPv6 brings significant improvements and advantages over IPv4, including a larger address space, simplified header structure, and enhanced security features. Understanding IPv6 is crucial as the world transitions to this new protocol. In this video, we covered IPv6 advantages, packet formats, extension headers, transition mechanisms, and the concept of multicasting. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video on the introduction to IPv6.